Good evening, UK. We are back with another show of Jammu and Kashmir. Today, again, we will bring you beautiful songs from the region of Jammu, Dogri songs, and Kashmiri songs from Kashmir. Again, with me today is my colleague Shefalika. Hi.
Hello, Lalit, and good evening to all the listeners. We are here with another edition of uh, Desh Ki Khushbu.
And today we are going to take you on a journey where we will discuss with you picnic spots, famous spots of Jammu and Kashmir. So tune in with us. The first song we have for you is a Dogri song which is sung by Malika Pukhraj and her daughter Tahira Sayed, both famous Dogri singers. And the song is about Kunja Jai Paya Paparol. So it's about a bird and where all she's going and sitting. I hope you'll enjoy the song.
कड़ाई जाया तेरा तुरत कड़ाई जाया तेरा हो पूजा उडिया जाई पैया पपरोले हो पूजा जाई पैया पपरोले हो बाबो सजदी दूंगे खोले हो एक गल करी जाया तेरा एक गल सुनी जाया तेरा That was a really nice song. Malika ji and her daughter are, of course, famous all over the country. So, Lalit, you know, we have a special guest coming again. And like last time at 7:30, a couple from Jammu who really like our program. So, they will be phoning in later. So, carrying on with our theme today of historical tourist places to visit. As you know, in Kashmir, there are plenty. So I don't know where to start from, but I will start from the most famous ones. They are the so-called Mughal gardens. So the Mughal gardens are Nishat Bagh and Shalimar Bagh. Now the interesting thing about let's talk about Shalimar Bagh. You know, people think that it was built by the Mughals, but this is only partly true because it does seem like it was built quite before the Mughals came in the second century by one of the kings Pravar Sena. So he built a cottage on the banks of Dal Lake and lived there for some time. And the name Shalimar means abode of love. So he lived there for some time with his consort. Then I think he died, and it fell to ruins. And that's where the Mughals came in. So when Jahangir, when the Mughals invaded India, so Jahangir was quite enamored by the place, and he really liked it. So did his queen. And both of them they renovated the place and turned it into what it is now. So his wife was a famous Noor Jahan, and so they asked their governor to extend it, make it more beautiful, and then that was carried forward by Maharaja Ranjit Singh and Maharaja Hari Singh. So in its present form, some of I have obviously visited it many times, but some of the listeners might have visited, and they know that how beautiful it is. It's on the bank of Dal Lake, and the architecture is really marvelous, and of course the flowers and the gardens are really really nice. So on that note, let's hear a nice and soothing Kashmiri song, Madno Lole Ke Alav Trave by Kailash Mehra Sadhu ji. I have played her here before. She's a very well known and very famous singer of Kashmiri songs with a very soothing voice. So as I'm sitting here, I'm imagining this song being played on the banks of Dal Lake. So let's listen to the song.
मदनू दिथ गो पाताल मदनो लाल की आलव त्रावई बावई दिल की आल मदनागरन सुचुक फेरन गरत सुत मोजाल मदनागरन सुचुक फेरन गरत सुत मोजाल हरत करी थक कम कम वरान निरान छुई नामलाल मदनो लोल की आलव त्रावई बावई दिल की हाल
I always admire and love the way Kailash Sadhu, Mehra Sadhuji sings. A beautiful song here by her. As we promised to you that we would be taking you on a tour of Jammu and Kashmir and various places, let me talk to you about a beautiful place in Jammu region, in the city of Jammu. It's there is a fort called Bahu Fort. Raja Bahu Lochan is the brother of Raja Jambu Lochan, the one who after whose name Jammu has been kept. He made a fort which is called the Bahu Fort, and on external side of the Bahu Fort is Bage Bahu, which is a garden. It's a beautiful, beautiful garden, and in that garden there is also an aquarium, and that aquarium is one of the largest aquarium in Asia, and it is also unique because it's shaped like a fish with 24 aquarium caves and 13 small caves holding freshwater and marine water fishes. It has almost 400 species of freshwater marine fishes. It's a beautiful place. Whenever you visit Jammu, I think you should make a point to go to Bage Bahu. It's not Bage Bahu as in Bahu, but it's Bage Bahu after the king Bahu. So from here, I'll take you to the next song, which is Jammu Deya Naukara. And in this song, she's requesting that you are doing your job in Jammu. Why don't you come back? फल पक गए हैं, स्प्रिंग आ गया है, कम बैक, छुट्टियां ले लो, सब लोग छुट्टी पे आते हैं, अब तुम भी आ जाओ जम्मू दे नौकरा.
जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुसा छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुसा छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ और त नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ और त नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ दियां नदियां बगियां जो बन नित नहीं रहना ओ छल बल कर दियां नदियां बगियां जो बन नित नहीं रहना ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुसा छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुसा छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ होर ता नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ होर ता नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ सौन महीने दियां कालियां राती मैं किलियां किया रहना ओ सौन महीने दियां कालियां राती मैं किलियां किया रहना ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुसा छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुसा छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ होर ता नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ होर ता नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ नींबू पके अंबियां पकियां किली कियां खावां ओ नींबू पके अंबियां पकियां किली कियां खावां ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुसा छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुसा छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ होर ता नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ होर ता नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ रोज मैं पुछदी डाकिए जो खत्मा ही दाना ओ रोज मैं पुछदी डाकिए जो खत्मा ही दाना ओ दूर पहाड़ा कोयल बोले कोई परोना आना ओ दूर पहाड़ा कोयल बोले कोई परोना आना ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुस छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुस छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ होर ता नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ होर ता नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू आना ओ जम्मू दिया नौकरा तुस छुट्टियां कदू आना ओ होर ता नौकर छुट्टियां आंदे तुसा कदू
That is a really nice song. So, Lalit, I was telling you and obviously our listeners about the Mughal gardens, which were not really made by Mughals. So, another interesting place which is very famous in Kashmir is called Gulmarg. It's a hill station and it's a very popular skiing destination. Again, very interestingly, we think that Gulmarg was made by Mughals, but it wasn't. It means Gauri Marg, and that's where the name has come from. And now it's called Gulmarg, which also means meadow of flowers. And that was the name given by Sultan Yusuf Shah, who invaded Kashmir at that time. So, like the Mughal gardens, Jahangir and his wife Noor Jahan, they rebuilt it, made it into what it is today. And today it's a very famous hunting and golfing destination as well. And also, it was a summer retreat for the government in those times. The golf course in Gulmarg is very famous. It's an altitude of 8,690 feet. And the ski resort is another world famous resort. Lots of people from across the world used to visit. I mean, in COVID times, no one is visiting. So yeah, so that's another interesting place. It's on the outskirts of Srinagar. It's near Baramulla. It's in the Baramulla district. So it's quite a way away from the main town of Srinagar, but a very popular tourist destination. So on that note, let's hear another very nice song by our another very popular singer, Deepali Vatalji. I think we are playing two songs of Deepali today. So Kashmiri and a Dogri. So let's play the Kashmiri one first. Yeah. So Ladi, should we play that and
Yeah,
then
sure.
we'll carry on with the conversation
Sure.
about Jammu and Kashmir.
रुटुत मलाल दिलस वनब करई सार पार म्यान मदन मार ओति चोन शुक्रिया क्या रुटुत मलाल दिलस वनब करई सार पार म्यान मदन मार ओति चोन शुक्रिया मदन बार तोते चोन शुक्रिया डलुन माछु अदरवा सात डलुक पान में कत नीब तुत शाल मा वाद डलुन माछु अदरवा याद कर मैं क्या वो नहीं से ये तिस वनाक तत्व प्रार मदन बार तोति चोन शुक्रिया क्या रटुत मलाल दिलस वनब करे सार पार म्यान मदन बार तोति चोन शुक्रिया शोक छुपन मिस किस पुतुस खता जान बाजा सबर करत वुछान कस वार वार खसिक मिस किस पुतुस खता अदच कलम तुर्त लेखन गस्त कर दिल की गुबार म्याने मदन बार तो चून शुक्रिया यह रुटुत मलाल दिरस वन करे सार पार म्याने मदन बार तो चून शुक्रिया.
That was a lovely song by Dipali Vatal, and the unique part is that Dipali Vatal ji, being a Kashmiri Pandit, has also sung beautifully Dogri songs. And our next song in Dogri section actually will be a ghazal by Dipali Vatal ji. But before we take you to the next song, which is by Dipali Vatal, Dogri ghazal, let me introduce you to our guest for tonight. She is a lovely girl from Jammu who lives in London, and she loves to listen to our radio show because it takes her back to her own city, Jammu. We have with us Sana Sharma. Hello, Sana.
Hello, hi RJ, Lalit.
How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. And you?
Good. Shefalika ji is also with us, and you know her as well.
Oh yes, hello, hello.
Oh,
RJ,
hello,
Shifalika
Sana.
ji, कैसे हो?
बिल्कुल ठीक. Good to see you here.
Same here. I love listening to you guys. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप.
Thank you
Go-
so much, Sana.
And you know what, Shefalika ji? Sana has her favorite dish from, I know her Kashmiri favorite dish is Nadru Yakhni, which is lotus stem yakhni.
And dum aloo, don't forget, please. Next time
Oh,
जब बनाओगे.
wow. Oh, wow. You must have listened to our show a couple of weeks back, or I think it was last week only. We discussed
Yes.
delicacies from the region, and the Malu and Nadi Dakhini, of course, very, very famous. So, yes,
Correct.
the Malu and Nadi Dakhini is on me.
And her all-time Dogra favorite is Rajma Chawal and her
Yes, and that's
Ambal.
on you, RJ Lalit.
Yes, we always meet and eat that. I know, Sana, you have requested a Dogri song, which we will play
Yes, please.
in the next session after this song. But first, we are playing the song by Dipali Vatal. It's a Dogri ghazal. Please enjoy.
Okay.
असबीरे किश चक दे चक
Nice song, Lalit. So, Sana, have you ever visited Kashmir?
Yes, I have. Like literally, I think 7 years ago. Like yeah, somewhere around back in 2014, 2015, I did visit Srinagar.
Wow, which places did you? Do you remember any particular place?
Yeah, I mean, we visited. I went with my family, and we visited Dal Lake, Shankracharya, Nishad
Wow,
Bagh.
wow. So yeah, we talked about Nishad and Shalimar Bagh earlier, but Shankaracharya, of course, is another famous place. It's a hillock dedicated to Lord Shiva, and I think you might remember there's lots of steps to climb to reach the
I
temple,
know, I know. I was
isn't it?
really excited to visit that temple, especially because of that song Jai Jai Shiv Shankar.
I know, yeah, Mumtaz and Rajesh Khanna, that was picturized
Yes.
that hillock, and lots of tourists go there, especially on Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan,
Okay.
most people try and go to visit Lord Shiva on top of, and Dal Lake, of course, is very famous,
Also
isn't
for
it?
shopping, the floating market in Dal Lake, the way they sell the
Yeah.
jewelry and the vegetables, it's beautiful to
And the
watch
paper
all that.
mache, the paper mache stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Paper mache is very famous, and then you have to go on a shikara, and then they take you to a houseboat. It's
Correct.
like a how it's a houseboat, house on a
Yeah.
boat. So
Yes, yes. We
nice.
stayed in a houseboat. It was a lovely experience.
Yes, and then you wake up and the sun is rising. It's an amazing view on the
True,
banks of Dal
true.
Lake.
Absolutely.
So Sana, let's hear a Kashmiri song now by Ghulam Hassan Sofi, who has been played here many times before. Very nice, soothing voice. And I remember on the banks of Dal Lake, people used to sit and listen to his songs. Yeah, so let's play one of his
Yeah,
very
let's.
famous songs.
Sure. Yeah.
करनई तो विजपन यारो वन बाल यारो मन सकन्यू करनई तो विजपन यारो वन बाल यारो मन सकन्यू करनई तो विजपन Kurna sabu Adam basti manzu gupithiru Na budandrai kurna sabu Adam basti manzu gupithiru Tamichi khabar no chai malkan Yaro वन बालियारो वन तमिची खबर नो छै मलकन यारो वन बालियारो वन चकम्यू करनई तो विजपन Patvan rail wol tasdulai Dünya zantan indire zalai Patvan rail wol tasdulai Dünya zantan indire Amites letire kariban Yaro वन बालियारो वन अमिते तेरे कई नमगन
यार वन बालियारो वन चकनू कर नहीं तो इज़बान तोरिस कोरम गिरिया नहीं जान जान करनम सामई तोरिस कोरनम गिरिया नहीं जान जानम सामाई गाट जार छोकुरनम वस्तकारन यारो वन बालियारो मन गाट जार छोकुरनम वस्तकारन यारो वन बालियारो वन सकनू कर नहीं तो इज़बान Kolganyandra kornastaya nalchum yonitai kalmastanda Kolganyandra kornastaya nalchum yonitai kalmastanda Zakrtani chi chai shamarzan यारो वन बालियारो मन चक्रतनी ची छई शामारजन यारो वन बालियारो चकनू कर नहीं तो इज़बान यारो वन यारो
That was a nice song again by Ghulam Hassan Sofi. As you all know, today we have with us our friend Sana from Jammu, but she now lives in London. So Sana has requested a song in Dogri. She's also a Dogra. It's called Kangan by Seema Anil Sehgal ji. Seema Anil Sehgal ji is a famous singer, and she's also been given the title of Bulbule Hindustan. She sings beautifully in many languages, and Dogri being her mother tongue, she does great justice to songs in Dogri. But before we go and listen to the song, Sana, can I ask you, what are your favorite picnic spots in Jammu region?
Well, RJ Lalit, as a child, I really used to visit Baghe Bahu. वो तो मतलब काफी टाइम हो गया मैं गई नहीं आई कांट इवन रिमेंबर द लास्ट टाइम आई विजिटेड बागे बहू बट आई रियली लाइक मानसर सना they're quite nice. I mean, to have to spend lovely time with your family. So
I know.
वो अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
I know these are the famous spots because they are so close to Jammu. In Jammu region, from city of Jammu, you can in few hours just reach Mansar, Sanasar, beautiful lakeside, and also they have beautiful temple there. And
Yes.
the famous you forgot about the famous hilltop which we have as our
Patni
picnic
Top.
Patni Top, and
Oh,
that is like
yes.
our local picnic spot. Whenever you
True.
feel like you want a little break from the city hustle and bustle, it's just drive away to Patni
It's
Top and
just a
enjoy.
weekend getaway. It used to be a weekend getaway, so all the family used to get together, and we used to hire a couple of huts, and yeah, we used to play bingo, and it was lovely time to spend in Patni Top.
Especially when the snow falls.
Yes.
True.
In everything, it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So from Patni Top, let's emotional song Kangan by Seema Anil Sehgal ji.
कंगन कड़ाई तेरे
A very nice song, very, very melodious. So, Sana, it was really lovely having you here. Hopefully, we'll see you again sometime. Keep
Thank
listening.
you. Thank you so much. Pleasure is all mine. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sana.
Thank you for joining
So,
us, Sana. Wonderful talking to you always.
Same here. Thank you.
Bye.
bye.
Bye bye.
So, Lalit, we continue on our journey of visiting various places in Jammu and Kashmir.
Yeah.
So, the next place, very famous on my list, is Pahalgam, a very famous, popular destination with lush green meadows, pristine waters. It's on the banks of Lidar River Valley, which is very significant because Lidar Valley is very famous for trout fishing. So, international destination for trout fishing. So, a lot of people used to come there. And also, Pahalgam is it's from where the Amarnath Ji Yatra starts.
Yes.
So Amarnath Ji Yatra is another very famous yatra, famous all over India. Lots of visitors visit, and it is the base camp, as you can say, for Amarnath Ji Yatra. So a very special place. Of course, very beautiful with lovely streams, river Lidar, where you can go fishing, walks, meadows, beautiful meadows, and then if you want, you can go to Amarnath Ji. So, Lalit, what song are we playing next now?
Now you
a
have
nice
the
Kashmiri
song by Abha Hanjura. It is a Kashmiri folk
Wow.
medley.
Excellent. Abha is getting very popular, isn't she, day by day? But she's very popular for her remixes. And I think this is one of our very popular remix. So let's listen to Abha Hanjura and other of her co-singers. Yeah.
दिमियो दिलास गंडियो वलास पर्थो गिलास कुल नहीं तल पर्थो गिलास कुल नहीं तल पर्थो गिलास कुल नहीं तल लाल फल म्याने वल थोब खास पर्थो गिलास कुल नहीं तल पर्थो गिलास कुल नहीं तल यूर हो आयस चानी अखलास अंद वंद रोजम चानी कल यूर हो आयस चानी अखलास अंद वंद रोजम चानी कल मामला लो तो दियो दिलास पठो गिलास कुल नहीं तल पठो गिलास कुल नहीं तल दिमियो दिलास गंडियो वलास पठो गिलास कुल नहीं तल पठो गिलास कुल नहीं तल बम्बरो हो 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 शाम रंग बम्बरो हो बम्बरो हो बम्बरो शाम रंग बम्बरो क्या जी छुट युत ना लानो हो 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 बम्बरो हो बम्बरो हो बम्बरो हो बम्बरो हो बम्बरो हो बम्बरो हो शाम रंग बम्बरो हो बम्बरो हो बम्बरो शाम रंग बम्बरो क्या जी वलै कस्तुरिये वलै कस्तुरिये ഒരുമൈ ത്രാവീരിയെ ചോൻ പക്കുൻ പ്രസനോ മൈ തൂരിയെ വलै കസ്തുരിയെ वलै कस्तुरिये ഒരുമൈ ത്രാവീരിയെ ചോൻ പക്കുൻ പ്രസനോ മൈ തൂരിയെ वलै कस्तुरिये अथनाद नमस खमते खोर छकवाया यमनै आशकन तीर में जगानाया अथनाद नमस खमते खोर छकवाया यमनै आशकन तीर में जगानाया थम गोया बस नम रटते यूरिये वलै कस्तुरिये वलै कस्तुरिये ഒരുമൈ ത്രാവീരിയെ ചോൻ പക്കുൻ പ്രസനോ മൈ തൂരിയെ വलै കസ്തുരിയെ रिंद पोष महाल गिंदने दैलोलो हो शुभ शाबाश जन पुत्ताय लोलो ओय रिंद पोष महाल गिंदने दैलोलो ओय रिंद पोष महाल गिंदने दैलोलो हो रिंद पोष महाल ओय रिंद पोष महाल गिंदने
That was a lovely, lovely medley by Abha Hanjura. Yes, she is bringing modernization to Kashmiri folk songs. So I really like the new concept she's been singing with. Today we have discussed few areas of Jammu and Kashmir, and we will take you further again on this journey next week. We can carry on. There are amazing, beautiful places to see in Jammu and Kashmir after this COVID. Everybody should plan a visit, and you will see the peaceful side of Jammu and Kashmir, the beautiful side of Jammu and Kashmir. You must go there. What do you say, Shafalika ji?
Yes, 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 absolutely. There are so many places to visit. It's amazing. We can talk about them next time as well, Lalit. It will be really nice. So, on that note, let's view our listeners a very good evening and stay safe. Keep listening to BHF Radio, and we'll come back next Friday, same time, 8 to 9 p.m.
Thank you, everybody, for listening and tuning in into BHF Radio and listening to Jammu Kashmir Special. Please tune in again with us next Friday, same time, 8 p.m., for a musical journey in the beautiful, beautiful UT of Jammu and Kashmir. Good night, Shabak Khair.